How to delete LinkedIn account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the LinkedIn application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on your profile icon on the top left of your screen and then tap on the settings option at the bottom. Further, tap on the Account Preferences option you see there and then scroll down to the bottom and you will see the option for Close Account. Tap on that and then go ahead and tap on the Continue button after reading the guideline shown on the screen. Further, go ahead and select a reason for why you are leaving LinkedIn. Once selected, tap on Next and you will be prompted to enter your password. So go ahead and enter your account's password, and if you want, you can unsubscribe from LinkedIn email communications, including invitations, by tapping on the checkbox you see there. Once done, tap on the Done button, and with this, your account will be processed for deletion. So this is how you can delete LinkedIn account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.